Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna look at how to find old servers and grow a garden on Roblox. So first off, I'm using Google Chrome here. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the extension called BT Robux. Basically, it makes Roblox better. Click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Once it's added, you should see a little puzzle piece icon at the top right of your browser. Click on BT Robux from the puzzle piece menu. Now go to the search bar, type in Grow a Garden, and press Enter. Then select the Grow a Garden experience. Scroll down on the game page and look at the servers. Older servers usually have fewer players. So click on Number of Players and select Ascending to see them first. Now, servers with fewer people are likely older. You can join any of these, or if you want, create your own server for free. No payment needed. Super simple. And that's it. You've now got a way to find old servers and grow a garden. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out our next video for more Roblox tips.